Hi, if you need to adjust screen brightness on your Huawei Band 9, then as a first step, find this button on the right side of the band and press it to go in the apps menu. So here select the settings and then use your finger to scroll through the list and go in the display and brightness. So now you can see there's two sections for the brightness. Automatic one, you can disable it or enable by tapping on the switcher. Swipe from the left edge to go back and here select the brightness. So now you can adjust the brightness simply by dragging the slider up to just make it brighter or just swipe down to make it not so bright. So just stop at the preferred level and you can save the changes using this button or you can just swipe right from the left edge. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.